The intense competition in the 250 cubic centimeters four-stroke motocross category perpetually advances technological innovation. Currently, the field is not solely occupied by Japanese manufacturers and the Austrian company. Triumph has recently joined the competition, with Ducati set to follow soon. KTM not only persists in advancing its research and development but also surpasses its competitors by introducing its half-model year factory editions in winter, frequently representing a more significant technological advancement than their new model year summer releases. The 2025 KTM 250 SXF features enhancements to the frame and bodywork, along with modified suspension settings. However, the KTM 250 SXF Factory Edition has additional enhancements. The Connectivity Unit Off-Road (CO) is offered as a KTM Power Parts accessory for the 2025 250 SXF and is included as standard equipment on the Factory Edition. The CO connects to the KTM Connect app, enabling riders to modify the engine, similar to the Yamaha and Kawasaki counterparts of the SXF. Distinct to the KTM CO system is the Lit Pro capability, which offers riding data and track lap times. This technology just embellishes the Orange 250F, which already features an electric start, air fork suspension, a handlebar-mounted switch for different engine maps, traction control settings, launch control, a quick shifter function, and Brembo hydraulic brakes and clutch. The 2025 KTM 250 SXF Factory Edition features Red Bull KTM factory racing graphics, a Cell Dalla Valle seat, an Akrapovic slip-on silencer, orange anodized factory triple clamps, a whole-shot device integrated into the front fork guard, a skid plate, and a Hinson clutch cover. Launch control activated. The 2025 KTM SXF series is engineered for optimal whole-shot performance, featuring standard launch control and quick shifter functionality, which facilitates rapid upshifts without clutch engagement. Launch control is activated by simultaneously pushing the traction control and quick shifter buttons, functioning to restrict power to the rear wheel, enhance traction, and avert loss of control during intense acceleration. Simultaneously, the quick shifter feature allows for seamless transitions from second to fifth gear, enabling complete concentration on the initial corner. The Map Select switch on the 2025 KTM SX models exhibits a more streamlined design, facilitating enhanced usefulness for toggling between two engine maps. Map 1 presents a more linear power curve, while Map 2 delivers maximum performance with strong throttle response and explosive power. Fortunately, traction control can be easily toggled on or off using the same switch, providing optimal traction and a significant advantage in wet or muddy conditions.